Okay, so we're going to do geometry, angles, and nets of a solid. All right, so we're going to recognize all the different nets. So first of all, angle EF, which is this, and angle GH are straight lines. How do we look at the angle? So let's draw it out. So this angle is equals to this angle, and this angle is equals to this angle, and they are called vertically opposite angles. So let's look at it. Oh yeah, and this angle plus this angle equals to 180 degrees. So angle A plus angle B, so A plus B, because they're on a straight line, this is a straight line EF. So angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. So therefore angle A and angle B is 180. So let's say if angle A, okay, let me just rub this away. Let's say angle A is again 100 degrees and this is 80 degrees. So angle A plus angle B equals to 100 plus 80 equals to 180 degrees. Angle A, B, C, and D equals to 360. So this is 100. So if this is 100, angle A is 100. Angle A equals to angle C equals to 100 degrees. All right, so 100 degrees. Angle B equals to angle D equals to 80 degrees. So this is 80 degrees. So therefore, if you add everything, it's equals to 100 plus 100 plus 80 plus 80 equals to 360 degrees. And I mentioned this, so angle A equals to C, A is equals to C, and B is equals to D. So B is equals to D. Now let's look at the next one, perpendicular lines. So perpendicular lines basically means that there is a squarish thing over here, and it means that this angle RSQ equals to 90 degrees. So PQ is perpendicular, so this sign represents perpendicular to RS. So PQ is perpendicular to RS, and this is a 90 degrees. So parallel lines are signified by a arrow on it. All right, so this arrow represents parallel lines. So AB is parallel to CD. So what this means is that the two lines will never meet. Okay, some more, if you have another line like this, then you can say certain things about the angles here, here, and here. Okay, so basically these angles, angle A, B, C, D, so let's call this angle E, angle F, and angle G. So angle G will be equals to angle F. Alright, so let me draw it a little bit bigger over here. So this is one line. This is another line. So let's say they are perpendicular, and I have a line that cuts through. So basically what I'm saying is that this angle and this angle, which forms the letter Z, are equal. So this is angle A, this is angle B, so angle A is equals to angle B. Alright, and this is angle C. So angle C plus angle B equals to 180 degrees. So therefore, if angle A is equals to 50 degrees, sorry, this is 50 degrees, that means angle B is also equals to 50 degrees, which means angle C is equals to 180 minus 50 equals 130 degrees. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is the nets of a cube. So basically you need to understand what a cube is. Basically a cube is a three-dimensional figure like this that all the edges have the same length. All right, so let's say if this is 2 cm, that means all four are 2 cm, means the top is a square, the sides are all squares, and they're all 2 cm, then this becomes a cube. So when I unfold the cube, what kind of shapes can I unfold, or what kind of shapes can I fold back in order to get a cube? So altogether there are 11 nets of a cube. So that's called a nets of a cube, where you can fold into a cube. And you have to recognize all 11 because they will ask you. So the first one that I want to teach you is the 1, 4, 1. So that means there are 3 columns. So this is column 1, column 2, and column 3. All right. So this is column 1, column 2, column 3. So column 1 has 1, column 2 has 4, column 3 has 1. So what that means is this. This is column 1. This is column 2. This is column 3. So this is 1, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. All right. So likewise, this is column 1, column 2, column 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. 1. This is 4 and 1. 1, 4, and 1. 1, 4, and 1. 1, 4, and 1. All right. So 1, 4, 1 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 4, 1. You can think of it as there are 6 kinds of 1, 4, 1. So the next one that you need to do, you need to realize is the 3, 3 columns. So that means there's 1 column, 2 column. There are 2 columns in all. So this is 3 and 3. All right. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So this is the second nets of a cube. The third is the 1, 3, 2, which is column 1 has 1, column 3 has 3, and column 2 has 3, and column 3 has 2. Okay, so if you draw a line down, it's 1, 3, 2. Draw a line down, it's 1, 3, 2. Draw a line down, is 1, 3, 2. The last one is 2, 2, 2, so it's 2, 2, 2. Okay, so those are the 11 nets of a cube. So what you can do is to practice drawing out the 11 nets yourself. Okay, so practice drawing out. Practice getting the 1, 4, 1, practice getting the 3, 3, the 1, 3, 2, and the 2, 2, 2. Okay, let's look at nets of a cuboid. So nets of a cuboid. Cuboid basically means this is a square face, but this has a different length. So if this is 2 cm, all 4 are 2 cm, but this can be 5 cm, and all 4 are 5 cm. All right, so these are the 2 shapes or 2 nets of a cuboid. If you look at a prism, these are the 2 nets of a prism, and these are the 2 nets of a pyramid. So you've got to practice and remember the different nets of the solids.